When it was too hot to turn on the oven, I made these no-bake mini key lime desserts. Start by making the graham cracker crust. Mix melted butter with your crushed graham crackers. I use these pre-made crumbs, but you can easily crush up your own graham crackers. The consistency will look like wet beach sand. But I guarantee you, it tastes better than actual sand. I made my own whipped topping for this recipe. In your mixer, cream together the cream cheese, evaporated milk, and fresh squeezed lime juice. I found this super cute citrus juicer. Comment below if you were a fan of this cartoon. Gently fold in your homemade or store-bought whipped topping. Line your muffin pan with paper cups. Fill the muffin tin 3/4 of the way with filling. Top with your graham cracker crust. Now comes the no-bake part. Freeze for at least 4 hours. If you decide to freeze your pies longer or even overnight, I recommend letting it defrost in the fridge before you serve. When you're ready to serve, invert the muffin cups and peel off the paper. Your filling will be light and not rock hard like those bad cheesecakes.